Today, we're diving into the benefits of paintless dent repair, also known as PDR, for dealing with hail damage and why insurance companies are big fans of this method. First off, PDR is a cost-efficient approach that saves on labor and materials, cutting down expenses compared to traditional repair methods. It's a streamlined process that avoids the need for repainting or replacing parts, making it quicker and more resource-friendly. One key advantage is how PDR preserves the original paint of your vehicle, keeping it in pristine condition and maintaining its resale value. By not having to repaint entire panels, you save money and ensure your car holds its worth over time. This technique is non-invasive, using specialized tools to massage dents out from the inside without affecting the structural integrity of your vehicle. Insurance companies love PDR for its efficiency in restoring vehicles quickly, reducing claim costs, and helping policyholders get back on the road faster. It's a win-win, as it not only saves money but also aligns with sustainable practices by cutting down on waste and carbon emissions. With PDR, you can ensure high-quality repairs without the need for traditional bodywork, contributing to a greener automotive industry overall.